Hi everyone, my name is Andrejs Doronins and welcome to the course Rest Assured Fundamentals. Automated tests undeniably benefit software projects by protecting against bugs. Web APIs need integration testing and Rest Assured is the perfect solution for it. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the DSL and Fluent interface concepts. They are fundamental to what Rest Assured is. Sending HTTP requests and validating both headers and the body of HTTP responses. And advanced concepts such as global configuration and specifications. By the end of this course, you will learn everything you need to know in order to harness the power of Rest Assured. Before beginning this course, you should have at least 6 months of experience of working with Java, as well as a solid grasp on the fundamentals of the language. Ideally, you have some experience with an IDE such as IntelliJ and running any kind of automated tests. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Web API test automation with the course Rest Assured Fundamentals here at Pluralsight.